Today we're making a delicious chicken salad. It's quick and easy to prepare. Be sure to save this recipe and make it at home. This episode is sponsored by Pomelo Catering, offering healthy meals with a wide menu selection. It's a catering service that saves you time. There's a special offer for Culinary Adventures viewers, and you'll find the details in the video description. I warmly invite you to check it out. You'll also find a list of ingredients needed for this recipe below the video. First, let's prepare the sauce. Chop dill, add mayo, cream, mustard, pressed garlic, salt, and pepper. Mix it all together. Set the sauce aside. We need 350 g of Chinese cabbage, 2 chicken fillets, pan-fried with your favorite spices. I use salt, pepper, sweet paprika, garlic, and oregano. Also 100 g of cooked rice. A pickled cucumber, half a fresh bell pepper, and a small bunch of chives. Chop everything and add to the salad. Then season with more salt and pepper, pour over the prepared sauce, and mix well. The salad is delicious and filling. Do try it out. I garnished it with some extra chives. Enjoy your meal.